Hello everybody. In this video I'll be talking on how to fix Rainbow Six Siege from crashing or not even starting at all. Basically this is normally for everyone who doesn't have the game starting at all after installing the game. So normally what would happen is that you double click it after installation. It runs the prerequisite installation and it says that's running, it syncs and it crashes. No Uplay or anything else pops up. And then you keep doing it and it's just doing a loop basically. Okay, so normally what your first instinct is to go to local files and do this, verify the files, the game files, and that doesn't work obviously because that's a little bullshit. Second thing that you most likely would do is go to control panels and NVIDIA of course, manage 3D settings, go to program settings, and go to the game itself, and you're gonna do manual startup onto the graphics card. Next is going to be going to the GeForce experience and updating your driver. That doesn't work. Next is going to be go to Microsoft Windows Update and make sure you always have the latest one. The lamest and the stupidest one I've always noticed that people try and completely fail is go here, go to the game files and go to Rainbow Six, run it as administrator and change the compatibility mode, which is really stupid. It never works ever. I have never had that happen. Like it never has. I haven't used that since XP, guys. Like that shit doesn't work. I mean, I don't know what the fuck is going on there. Okay, so what do? How do you actually fix it? Well, I'll tell you how. And you're gonna press Windows and R. This is gonna come up, and you're gonna type in Control Panel. You're gonna press OK. You're gonna go uninstall the program, and these 5-6 files you're gonna uninstall individually. So you're gonna press install, and yes, and blah blah blah, go with it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna uninstall all of them. Okay. Once that is done, let me go ahead and actually go to my history, did I say histories, on my Google, and I'm going to individually open every single link that I saved. Okay, so you're gonna end up doing this. Download install 1, download install 2, download install 3, download install 4, download install 5. The reason why I say 5 and I'm gonna leave it 5 out of 7 is because I only needed 5 because the rest of the 2 said I had them already installed, which was only in a particular case. I've heard from other people that you need all 7, so you most likely need 6 download install and 7 download install. When you're done downloading and installing these 7 files, that's basically it. After that, I think I got a new update. It came in like update build 10.11.02 or something like that. It came out after. So I think you should check again also after doing that. I don't know why, but it just happened like that. Or maybe it was just the timing. I have no idea what it was. After that, then just go to the power and update and shut down. I prefer shut down. Let your computer shut down. Don't let it restart. Just like wait a second and then 2, boom, done. Then when you turn on your computer, go ahead and open up Siege. That's gonna take a while because I don't know. Why is it gonna take a while? You tell me. Yeah, I had to do a hard reset because I had a lot of problems going on with Windows 10, and Windows 10 is a piece of shit operating system. Well, I can't say much more than that. I've actually had this laptop do a hard reset now 2 times in the past 6 months. My other PC gaming build 4 to 5 times, and Windows 7 computer once, but that was because I was doing too much 4K porn, which is not my fault. Alright, And that's basically it, guys. I know there was no audio in the game because I actually muted it. I did a recording prior to this and it failed. So yeah, that's basically it. You just have, the only thing that you really have to do is do the control panel part. And that's pretty much it. I think this is the most important part, is uninstalling the Microsoft Visual C++ files and downloading and installing them individually. Update securities and stuff, the Windows 10, and shut down, and that's basically it. You don't I have the game running because it's I shut it down in horrible time. Don't reinstall the game. I did it. I reinstalled the game 3 times. I felt like an idiot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it really does work. It should work. I think like 90% of you. And if it does, please leave a comment. If you have any further questions about anything else, please leave a comment also. If you really enjoyed the video and it actually did ended up helping you, because you love Siege as much as I do, yeah, just hit the subscribe button. All right, so till next time, peace.